Dirty birds, dirty birds, dirty birds, dirty birds.
I see some lights. All right, let's go, guys.
Go, 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 go.
Dad, what do you think about this view for dinner? He has to chug his bite now. Chew, 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 chew. Hank! Do you mind?
Let's get that put away there, bud.
It slipped off. All right, hold on. Dad was answering.
Dinner?
Dad, what do you think about this dinner view?
I think it's fantastic. I think it's exceptional. I particularly like the snowmen making appearances skating. Yeah. And I really like the reindeers.
Done, done.
As soon as they finish eating their corn dog, we'll go see her.
Certainly feels like it, yes, ma'am.
Fake grass?
Yeah, perfect.
Yep, turf. Foster Santa. Nah. Will you bring me back something warm to drink? Or a lucky bell that only I can hear? Bye! We were feeling kind of bummed that we were missing Palm Zoo because we love it so much. And this is pretty spectacular. Candyland. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at the cupcake. A teacup.
Yeah, I can't even talk. Can't even say the word right.
Is it a beetle? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this apple tree is the cutest.
Very cool.
Fairy tale land. I love these ornaments. They're so pretty. And a giant ornament. How we just came from. All right, family. What were our thoughts?
I liked it.
Hank loved it. Ruby liked it. Dad, how does it compare to Calm?
I like the walking experience more than Calm.
Uh-huh.
Not only that, it's just the music and the lights, seeing everything was connected.
Yeah, and we had, you know, stadium restrooms and just some creature comforts. This was awesome. I think this will be a yearly tradition. Yeah?
To go back here again because I really want to do the mini golf. Also, Mom, mini golf January 1.
Yeah, we can talk about when we can mini golf, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go home. We got to drive. All right.